record. We're on.
Okay.
Okay, so this is episode 1 of, I don't even know what we're gonna call this.
We're gonna call this the Misadventures of the Aftermarket.
Hey!
That's it.
The Misadventures. Okay.
Because you don't know how it's gonna go.
Okay. Well, with these misadventures, we're gonna start off with some brandy. You know what I'm saying? It's what time is it? 11:13.
Jesus.
But we're strong men, top grizzlies in the game. We're just talking shit. This is not financial advice. And
This is not the earliest we've drank. The other day, we drank at 6 in the morning.
for a pre-market watch. Do you have a cigar lighter?
I do not.
You do not. Do you have a lighter?
I do not.
You do not. Okay. Let me get a lighter because we have a surprise cigars from my guy. One moment. You know what?
I forgot to ask for match.
How much percent?
Well, it was at -6%. Now it's up 40.44.
Sheesh. So that's like 7% right there.
Oh, it's going down. It doesn't matter.
From that little pit to where it's at. I'm not even sure I'm gonna get into this with my laptop yet. But yeah, man. Okay. So for our misadventures, we've agreed to each get cigars week after week. So it alternates. This week it was Nick's turn. Says he got some fancy cigars. So without further ado, ooh, in the glass tube. Some boss shit. Hold on. Wait. Oh, mic fell. Hold on. Check that out. Check him out, though. Okay. That is the, how do you say that? The Rocky Patel. The Rocky Patel. Yes, vintage 1992. Oh, yeah, with a cork in that, John. Wait, you got to decork it?
Yes, sir.
God damn. Hold up. I got the corkscrew. Wait a minute. Hold up. Oh, man.
No, come back.
You got a corkscrew?
No, you don't even need it.
Oh, my bad. I was about to say, if they really had you like open it like a wine bottle, that's some fancy shit. Okay.
Oh, there it is. Oh.
One for you.
Oh, we each get a... Oh, it's actually fucking glass. Oh.
Yeah, man. This is it? No, it's plastic.
No.
That's plastic.
No. Look.
That's plastic, bro.
No, it's not.
Nick, I'm telling you that's plastic.
Bro, this is not plastic. This is glass.
Fam, they did not. Is this glass? Holy shit, is that glass?
Yeah.
Fancy. It's got a cork to cap it. Okay, how did you get it open? Do you just rip it off?
Take off the sticker and then twist it off.
Take off, ooh. Cork comes right. Okay, which side do? You do this side, the side that's not open. Okay, so you cut yours and I'll cut mine. How close are you gonna do it? Well, you could just ash into the wind. I've got a cigar tray though. No, let me get my ashtray. Nice. If you could do me a favor and prepare mine, please. Yo, I gotta move my car into the garage.
Yeah.
Just give me 1 minute. Alright. This thing is about to die on me. Okay. So,
These were the last two in the box.
the last two Rocky Patels, man. Vintage 1992 cigars. You're up. Thank you again, Nick, for coming through. Thank you for bringing these cigars, man. I really appreciate it. All right. Without further ado, take the plastic off mine. I was watching Joe Rogan. He said you should do that. Because if you think about it, you're going to just start biting the plastic. You're going to start tasting the plastic, not the cigar.
I think the plastic is there just to, like, you know, tell you when you're, like, you know, you're done with it, you know. I'm going to keep it at the end of mine.
Well, here's Cigar OG. You don't need that.
Hi, Nigel.
Very special guest. My man. My brother. Man, say something to the camera,
I heard y'all have weed out there, man. I don't know weed at.
What the fuck?
Well,
Actually, no. You
Well.
chillin', man.
there's a bolt pack here. You want to just rip this on the high temp or the medium temp, you can get that nice little morning head change if you'd like.
Nah, I'm
Or-
gonna just go outside, man.
You can just go out and smoke.
Yeah, I'm smoking a little bit, you know what I mean? That federal hit.
You don't want to pick up a chair, just like, you know, just roll up what you got to roll up right here. How are you?
We're smoking. I can't fucking light mine for some fucking reason.
What you got to do is, so keep it in your mouth.
You gotta get that motherfucking party light.
Hello?
You just got to,
Ya me fui, ma.
I mean, that's the best way to do it, man.
Ya acá estoy.
Or a motherfucking.
Okay.
do it the way I just did it. Keep
Okay.
it lit. And you have to,
Right.
like, as you're smoking,
Sí.
do that. You gotta keep hitting it.
Sí.
You gotta keep drawing the fire to it. And
Okay,
then it'll
right.
just.
Fuck that, yeah.
So yeah, as you're saying, yeah, keep inhaling. Like little hits, like.
That's just what disgusting. Like a little cigar, like LeBron James.
Whew. I love me a cigar, man. Especially a cigar that comes inside of a nice glass
Yeah, you need
bottle.
to smoke LeBron James. Oh yeah.
Gotta smoke that cigar, James cigar.
We gotta. That's good to make some meth, no?
Meth?
Yeah, my man,
What?
my man hacking a loogie every puff.
I don't want to swallow the.
I think it's the slider.
Toxins. Try that one, yeah.
Yeah, it's probably like, man, just
Yeah.
lit.
So, yeah, we just doing some market watch, looking at the market, opening up the Robin Hood. Ha ha! Everything is good in your hood when you've got the Robin Hood.
Yeah, I gotta put 300.
You know what I invest a lot into, and what I implore anybody who's wanting to take a chance. Again, this is not financial advice. We always have to say that. As drunk as we get, as cigared up as we get. The crypto. Wait, they can't hear you. We got the two mics over here. What'd you say?
This ain't the financial advice.
This is not financial advice.
Yeah, just remember that.
Remember that this is not financial. Because again, not just the two mics that we got is this 1 and 2. So, yeah, I could get you up on the mic though. If you want to just be floated.
No, you straight, bro.
Straight.
Damn, that's cool though, man. You got the mic. That's cool, man.
It'd be very easy to get you set up in there.
This is sponsored by Snap-on.
Not sponsored, but hey, Snap-on, send a check. You know what I'm saying? What a check at? What a Snap-on check? What does
Yeah.
Snap-on do?
It's tools.
Stools.
No, not stools. Tools.
Tools.
Most expensive tool in the world. What the hell
Do
is
they
in
work?
it? Huh?
Do they work? Yeah, man. You got the insulated
Of course.
pocket.
Of course they do work. Like, you know. Yeah.
So as of right now, in your Robinhood account, how much money do you have on the overhead?
About
How much money do you have in
6,000.
total?
6,000.
6,000.
6,000.
So have you taken some out? Because at a point, I think you were near like 17K or something.
I
like
was
that.
at 20K about 3 weeks ago. And the market went to shit. I lost 14K.
Huh.
I wanted to Kurt Cobain my shit type of shit, you know.
Well, hey.
But I
yeah.
didn't do it because money's not
Everything.
everything.
And plus, this happens, man. The market does this, bro. You know, they say that. You know, it happens.
I'll be back.
It'll be back. So as of right now, okay. Well, let's ask this: when the market crashed, what were you writing that made you crash with it?
Fuck Churchill.
I know. Lucid Motors, man. Churchill Capital. They announced the deal, and then this thing just nosedives. How? Why?
Cause the rich people don't like seeing the poor get rich. They hate paying for the price that you pay for, so they're gonna drive the price all the way down so they could get more.
Who is they?
You know? The greedy people.
I feel like they are the people that run the world, but how many they can there be? Like, I think your thing is lit, man.
No, just
Oh, trying to get it even?
there it is. Yeah. Yeah.
So you had how much in on Churchill Capital before everything crashed, and when did you buy in? Do you know?
I had about 15K. And then that same aftermarket, it went down $20 per share. I ended up losing like about $7,000 in 2 days.
How'd you feel when that happened?
Complete garbage. Like, you know, it's like what the fuck you can't even do anything at that moment because it's aftermarket. You can't even fucking sell anything.
Well, unless you're on Weeble and all some of these other platforms.
Yeah, but fuck Weeble. I don't like how it is. I don't like how it is.
I think you should get back into it, bro.
I never was in it.
You should try it again because you've tried it and you didn't like it. But I think you should try it because once you get used to it, like you said, the charts are so good. And I've gotten used to it a little bit. Like, I kind of know where everything's at. It takes some time, but I think it just takes some getting used to.
I don't know. My opinion.
I got $100 there, and I've got my $100 mostly in Tilray.
Yeah.
And then I made some little money on crypto, and now I'm just kind of playing with that. I got like $11 that I'm building, literally jumping up the percents. And now that this stimmy is coming in, I'm just going to do the same thing. It's just with larger amounts of money. So I'm going to, instead of working with $11, work with 200, 300, throw it into that Ethereum Classic when it's at a dip that I know is a dip. Like, even it's all speculative, it's all whatever, but it follows Ethereum. And when that thing hits $12, $13, like how it's at right now, Ethereum Classic is currently at, oh God, never mind. Spoke too soon. Ethereum just jumped up to 18, so now Ethereum's at $14. And now I'm up $1.46. I'm up $1.46 on the 100-ish that I put. So I want to start working with, because this thing jumps 10%, 17% when it spikes. You could, man, just like the Doge jumps, bro, I made $200 on that thing like that. Like it was nothing. Because that thing was just jumping 10%, 20%, bing, bing, like it was just doing crazy shit all in that week, like, oh my God. But the point is, Ethereum Classic, this is not financial advice. And on this video, on all the videos that we do, you know, on the news before, how like on the bottom, it's always like that constant stream of news, and then it'll tell you the stocks and shit. Yeah. I'm gonna have that. I'm like the stocks that we bring up, it'll just come by, and then it'll just constantly say, this is not financial advice. Get your own shit. Like something like that. Something to that effect. But yeah, man, Ethereum Classic, man. The crypto, I know you don't fuck with the crypto much, But I think it's because it's unlimited day trades. You can literally just try, like, it all follows Bitcoin. Bitcoin's just Bitcoining. It's just constantly going up. So it's kind of a sure thing in my eyes, but
I had a chance to buy a Bitcoin when it was at 4,000. I knew it was gonna go back up, but I just didn't take the risk.
when was that?
When everything went to shit,
When you said 4,000
it was at 4,000. In March.
of last year?
Yes.
Man,
It was at $4,800. After 1 month, it was up at 9,000 already.
I know. And it wasn't done there. It wasn't even done. Like, that little 9,000 it did, it's up fucking 40,000. Like,
Yeah, it hit 60K the
or
other day.
30K
Yeah.
roughly from there.
Yeah.
The crypto is, and it's only going up too. People say that it's still early for crypto.
Well, for me, since I don't have that type of money, it's too late for me to buy
No, it's not,
a
Nick.
Bitcoin.
No, it's not too late. You can average in. So all you do is when it dips, you just put a little money in. If you know the percent's going up, it's the same percent, bro.
Yeah.
You can do it. It's not too late for the Bitcoin especially. It's not. That's what the holders want you to think. And then they hold it, and everybody who thinks it's too late, they didn't buy, they have it, and then now they're the only ones. You see? Speaking of the crypto, have you heard of the NFTs?
Yes.
Trying to make some money off on NFTs, bro? Let's go. Look, let's just sell a picture of this right here. We got the liquor, cigars. We got the, you know what I'm saying? We got the amenities. We're two classy guys. We can sell a picture.
But what do you exactly need for an NFT? I don't know that much about it, but I know what it is.
I don't know much about it either, and I think maybe on our next episode we'll have to get a more detailed look. But what I know is okay. An NFT is an item, a picture, an audio file, a piece of code, a piece of anything digital that is the original. Okay, let me explain this. It's anything digital, right? But the NFT has been stamped, Nick. So the NFT is officially that product.
Okay.
So if you go to Google Images and you look up a picture, you could just take a picture, save image as, boom, put that picture up, you can print it on your wall. But the NFT, this has the certification that the artist sent this directly to you, which means you own this picture that other people are going to Google Images to copy. You own this whatever, and it's official. So it makes money. You can sell anything. You can sell like a photo, a picture. Like you can sell a picture of us and then say, this is the NFT token that's worth $300. It's the moment that Nate and Nick had their first episode of the what was it? The Misadventures of the Aftermarket? That is fucking beautiful. I think that's beautiful. It works. But yeah, you can sell a picture and it captures that moment. We sent it to that person. Anybody else who has the picture, that's a fake knockoff. NFTs, I guess. I don't know. I'm not super into it, but they're making money off of it. Do you think it's something you want to get into? Just off of that description?
I love anything that makes me money. No matter if it's prostitution, but I'm just kidding.
You'd hold out your body?
Not just kidding.
This guy.
I wouldn't do that. No.
Said you're gonna run up the charts on the block?
I might get my trap full.
All right. Oh no, but I don't know. Some people are saying that the NFT thing is a bubble, where like it's just a trend. It's just an internet thing that's coming up. People are gonna get some money off of it right now.
It'll die.
Next year, 2 years from now, it's just gonna die. That's what some people are saying. That's what, when I think about it, when people describe it to me, it just seems like a scam. I don't know. I'm sorry, I had to go on my phone. I just want to make sure that this camera is connected. Damn it. All right, we good. We are live.
Oh, Nigel's gonna be sad.
So it is currently 11:39. So one thing that will be so tight, Nick, in the future, I'm gonna figure out a way to have it. I don't know how we're gonna do this, but maybe it'll just be screenshots. I don't know. I want to have our Robin Hoods on the screen with the people. So,
Oh, like charts.
like when we say, "Oh, Zom is doing this," then we'll just have it like
But
right
in the background.
But like, yeah, I just gotta figure it out. I'm just thinking about it right now. But yeah, everything's going well. Riot is hey.
Right now, it's a beautiful time to start investing because everything is at the fucking dip. After this whole,
It's just been a
shipwreck
market.
is done.
Yeah.
You could make serious money. Like right now, if you're trying to talk long term, Tesla is the way to go. Everybody likes to doubt it, but people that have doubted it have all failed, and
including Bill Gates.
Yes.
Bill Gates doubted Tesla.
He had a chance to buy Tesla, but he didn't fucking do it. He didn't do it. Elon wanted to sell it to him, but he didn't want to do it.
And thank God he did it.
He did it.
Because shit, man.
Now he's even,
He's way bigger than he would have ever been.
He's even bigger than fucking Bill Gates.
So Tesla.
It's at $600. About 2 months ago, it was at $900.
Discounted price for sure.
And before the split, it was at $2,200. So imagine you put like at least, let's just say, now everybody has this type of money, but let's just say you put 10,000 in there, you could quadruple it if it ever gets to 2,000 again.
See,
You can make about 20 grand or something like that.
the Tesla really is a good stock for people that just want to get into it on the outside. Like it's just like the crypto. It's gonna rise. Elon is gonna keep doing shit. He's gonna keep fucking
Like right now, beautiful time to buy because the Cybertruck is about to come out.
Do you think it's actually gonna come out?
Yes,
bro?
it will. You know why? Because all these other companies are trying to do a truck. And the first one to announce an electric truck was Elon.
And now everybody's following him.
Because
Look at
Elon has clout. If you really think about it. He does what he thinks about doing. For example, who the hell would make a flamethrower? Nobody would. But he said fuck it. Let me make a fucking flamethrower. Yes, I know it's a fucking roofing torch.
And made money off that damn thing too.
Yeah.
Because people buy a flamethrower.
Like,
yes, sir.
Like this man's in everything. Like he's in fucking tequila. He make Tesla tequila. Like what kind of shit? Like
The only thing I will say about investing into Tesla is don't run in there like a crash test dummy. Wait for it to hit red. Because this thing, it just goes this. You can get a nice ass price. Like right now, Tesla's at 600. Like he said, it's $900.
it's actually going up as we speak.
See? You see?
But yeah, don't get scared. It's gonna go down. Don't get scared. It's because it's his downfall since in a long time. But every time it goes down, there's an opportunity to buy. And by next year, pretty sure it's gonna be more than $1,000.
Honestly, I agree. I think that's even kind of a maybe conservative estimation. They're talking about Tesla's reaching fucking production goals
Literally,
this year.
every time Tesla goes down, they raise the target price on it.
Well, do not bet against Elon. Let's just say that.
Do not.
Do not.
Yeah, it might go down like fucking $100 on one day, but the next day shoots up $60, like out of nowhere. Like it could happen.
It's a fact, man. You think if there's any other stocks like that? Like that are just these like, you look at them, you're like, yeah, this is one of those.
Long term, since Honda is actually gonna start producing stage 3 full self-driving vehicles.
Now, that wouldn't happen to be some insider trading knowledge, would it? Because you are an employee at Honda. Uh-oh, wait, hey.
Oh, no.
Wait. This
No.
is not financial advice.
No.
But wait, did you hear about this at your job?
No, I
Oh,
seen
good
it.
shit.
I seen it on Robinhood News.
See, public knowledge. This is not insider trading, all right? FTC?
It
Shit.
just happened to be that I'm starting to work Honda next week. But it's not. Not because of that.
No, he's just gonna be in the
But
garage.
Honda is at $30 right now. So
$30?
It's actually at $30.
Honda?
Yeah.
You would think that that'd be like in the hundreds or some shit.
Yeah. You know which one is worth more?
Toyota.
Toyota's worth $160 per share.
Really?
Yes.
But they're like neck and neck though in terms of Honda, Toyota. This is what you
Here's
know.
something that Toyota has, but Honda doesn't. They created the first hybrid,
That's right. The Prius
the Prius.
revolutionized this shit. That's a
Well,
fact.
actually, before the Prius, it was the Yaris.
I don't even seen that one.
The Yaris is like a smaller
I might have seen it.
smaller version of it.
Did they discontinue it already? It might have.
I think so, yes.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah,
It's a hatchback usually, right? The Yaris?
it's kind of a hatchback, yeah.
Like small little
Small
thing.
hatchback,
Yeah,
yeah.
I think so. But yep. 30. So do you think that Honda's going to get more into the EV space, electric vehicles? They have to.
Yes.
And I think with that, well, it's a crowded market, but CCIV, the Honda being at $30, I don't know. Do your research. I want to do some research. I want to look into Honda and see if maybe there's some growth to happen there. In fact, what has their year been looking like, Honda? Because if they're at 30 now, where were they at last year? I mean, you know, that just gives us an idea of how much they've been moving and. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, that's a good growth stock. For the year, 50%. So,
So they were at $15.
20, yeah, $18, $20, something like that.
Yeah, you see it.
So, Honda, man, long term, he's right. Yeah, I would say so as well. I would say so. That one looks good. But that Lucid Motors, though, they're saying that thing could get the triple digits. Still, bro, like, I know it's been rough. I
Fuck
know
that.
it's been red.
I
But they're saying the YouTube stock gods are saying that Lucid Motors is about to send that thing into the triple digits. No cap. So get on it now or forever hold your peace.
Patience. I know you guys want to make
Ethereum's
money.
blowing up.
I know you guys want to make money now and all that, but one of the richest persons in the world, Warren Buffett, put so much money into Berkshire.
Pathway.
Yeah, he's the CEO now because he owns so much of the shares that he became the CEO. Now that stock is now worth about $400,000 per share.
Hey?
Huh?
Berkshire Hathaway is
Yeah.
worth how much?
$400,000.
No, it's 251, bro.
It went down.
No, it's wait, 400,000?
Dollars.
Bro, no, it's not.
What is it
Berkshire
at?
Hathaway is at $251.
Oh, then it went down. Cause the other day it was almost at fucking 400,000.
Gee, no, the 52-week high is 267. No,
267.
I don't know where you're getting this 400.
I fucking probably
number
saw.
is.
I seen a 3 somewhere. I don't know.
Maybe you saw like some of their analytical market cap numbers or some shit like
No,
that.
I seen 300,000.
On the okay, well, it's at 258.
Oh
now.
well, it doesn't matter. But yeah,
It's going up though.
in 5 years it's gone up 100,000.
In 5 years, it says it's gone up $111. That's what Robinhood is saying. 80%. Last year they done 40%. In the last 3 months, it's been about 10%. It's been right. It's a growth. It's like a slow but steady. I don't know. I don't know about the 400.
I don't know.
Okay.
That was don't. No.
But Berkshire Hathaway though. Shout out. The brandy is hitting. At least me. I don't know about you. How do you
No.
feel, sir? You don't feel anything.
No.
Would you like a reload? Would you like another shot? If you would like, you can have it. It's up to you. I'm chilling.
I should have picked up some White Claws. But oh well.
Oh yeah, you did say the White Claw. Well, next time.
Yeah.
Next time. Right now it is 11:50. The market closes at what time is the market close for us?
1
1:30?
o'clock. 1 o'clock.
And things are looking, at least for me. I've got a call on this one called IDEX. I need it to go up to $5.50 by next week. Actually, no, by Friday. Excuse me, and I don't think it's gonna do it, so that's a waste. My CBDMD. Fucking Joe Rogan, man. The only reason why I invested in this one, honestly, is because I'll be listening to Joe Rogan, and then this dude has a fucking ad for CBDMD, and I guarantee you, right after Friday, when my call expires, it's gonna hit the $5 mark, like clear. Right now, it's been playing with my feelings and emotions. It's been going up right next to 5, then back down. Right next to 5, back down. Right next to 5, just middle trading. But I feel like it's gonna blow up one of these days. I mean, it just keeps doing that after its earnings. It cools off, then it blows.
Do you know Miguel?
Which one? No.
Gonzalez.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's up with him?
One of our Mexican friends.
Okay.
Yeah. He put a call for next year.
On which company?
Verizon. Because
it accepted it?
He did
Good
it.
for him.
It was only $160. He did it because Warren Buffett bought some.
So could it go up in the next year?
Who knows?
If the they say do what the big dogs are doing. You gotta look, because you can find that stuff out. You can find the list of the big investor companies.
And Warren Buffett has everything. He's invested in everything. And his big thing is time. Patience. Because all these short sellers, you make quick money. But at the end of the day, when you wait, comes with high reward.
Warren Buffett, man. That's the golden goose.
He's top 6 in the world, the richest man. So,
well, patience, man. I think those long calls, that could be some beneficial shit.
I mean, yeah. Like, shit. For example, I think do a long-term call on Tesla. Honestly, like, yes, it might cost a couple thousand, or even more, but
man, that thing's going.
But you still got about till the year ends. Well, we're in fucking March still. We still got 9 months till the end of the year. So who knows how much Tesla will be worth by then?
I know. Tesla is such a mover, man, and I it's not financial advice, but again, it's one of those that if you put something in long, it's more than likely gonna make you some money. But the problem is the calls getting accepted, because I know if you don't put as much money, then they don't take it. Like, you have to really go for the price, because you can change the limit price and then make it cheaper. Like, you got to really go for that price.
It's because people know the worth.
Yeah.
So I mean, and also you could also sell options on there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can actually sell options on there, and then somebody buys it. You could make quick money like that.
I need to get into how do you sell the option though? Because then that means
so you know how you would go trade options?
Yeah.
But instead of buying, you put sell
option,
and then you pay that. Then you put that, you get that money, but somebody has to buy it. If nobody buys it, then you have to actually give the money back and buy it yourself.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. You're selling the option.
You could do that for shares too.
It's just risky because you got to do it on something really popular, where it's going to be like, oh, yeah, that one's risky kind of, because you got to like Sundial. You probably could sell some options there because everybody's rushing to the Sundial. Like, I tried to buy one.
Sundial.
That shit declined me.
Okay, Sundial is that thing is gonna take a very long time for it to start going up.
Why do you say that?
Because the highest it hit was $4, and for that to exceed the $4, people don't have to sell.
See, that's the issue. That's why I had to have my other phone. But
I'm liking the cigar.
The cigar is nice.
It's actually smooth.
It's smooth. It's not.
It doesn't get that big aftertaste either.
Not at all.
I think the glass preserved it, like type of thing, you know.
Yeah, it's a very nice cigar, man. I do appreciate it, my brother. I'm gonna switch gears on it though. I'm gonna pack the vape. I'm gonna hit this guy for a second.
Oh, that's
What time is it now?
dope. That's dope.
Yeah, man, it's the wheat vape. You never seen this thing?
No.
Yes, sir.
So you actually know the mod that I had,
What?
the big ass one that I used to have? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
The black one?
Yeah. So they actually sell the THC wax
Okay.
tops
Yeah.
on top to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, yeah, that's regular. Like, that's oil. So you could just smoke a whole thing of oil.
Yeah, it's just like a cart. It's basically like a big cart. You put it on top, you screw it on, and that's it.
And it's THC?
THC.
That thing will fuck you up. Because
Oh, yeah.
that little thing, your thing is like a cannon. Like, this is not as strong as that.
No, I know.
Like, it's not at all. That thing is like a fucking...
No, but I seen that. I was like, what the fuck? Okay. All right. And then the other day when I showed my fucking homies, they had a bong, right? They had a bong. They fucking put the mod, when I was smoking it, into the bong, and they smoked it from there like that.
It's like a tube?
Yeah, like you know how you would
Like a hookah?
No, like the bong, an actual bong. You know where you would pack the weed, take out that piece off. They put my mod directly into there, pressed it, and then they inhaled from the top. It was fucking cool. There was a bunch of it was just milky.
Ooh. Wait. But if it's oil, then how do they burn it?
No. So what they did is directly from the mod, they pressed it, and then as they were inhaling, the smoke went through the bong. It looked cool.
They pressed it?
Yeah. So let's just say, let me see if I could. So pretend this is right, and they press the mod like you're about to.
Oh.
And then from the top.
So then they put it into the hole of
Yeah,
the bong,
yeah.
press the button,
Yeah.
chink. Oh my God, that's smart. You know why? Because the water makes it smooth, super smooth. Because you know what you can do with this? They sell a water attachment. Imagine this, but there's like a little pocket of water right here. So when you inhale, the smoke goes through the water like a bong, but it's all right here in this little tube. It's like kind of like the same thing, but it's like all in one. Because the water makes it smooth as shit. That's smart.
They just did it. I was like, what the fuck? Yeah.
This thing will get you ripped.
Oh, I know.
I don't know how long we've been even going on, man.
Does it matter?
You know, Nick? Yeah, it does. Because with my stimmy now,
Yeah.
you know what I'm thinking about? I'm thinking maybe I should get another camera. I got my stimmy, got my 3000 today. Did you get yours yet?
I did.
How'd you get? 3000? Did you get a stimmy last year? Oh, good. Okay. So you only got the stimmy
Yeah.
this year. Okay.
There's another thing too. Did you know about the California stimulus check? I'm waiting for that. I know, it's for people that make less than 30,000, which is me. So.
$600.
Yeah.
I got it when I did my tax return. Yes, sir.
The 600?
Oh, no, not 600. 300. 300. I think, right? It's 300, right?
The 600.
Oh, it is 600.
The California one.
Oh, that's the next one.
That's the one that Gavin Newsom signed.
Then what was the 300 that I got?
The 300, I think it was.
I think it was the last year's state one? The last year California?
I don't know. I didn't know they made one.
Yeah, because I did my tax return, and I got a federal tax return. I got the stimulus from federal, 1,200 plus 600, so it's 2,000. My tax was 1,000, so it's 3,000 for my federal. That's coming. That's actually just came. But before, like last week, I got $300, and that was from state.
I don't know what that.
And so, no, yeah, I think it's either it's just I think it's just my tax return.
Yeah, I think it's just.
I think it's just my tax return.
I don't think it's anything else.
Yeah. I was gonna say something. Fuck. Yeah, man. We could do this shit week in, week. Oh, that's what I was saying. The camcorder. I'm gonna get a camcorder.
Okay.
Yeah, because this camera here is good for certain things. It's not good for this. You see how it's just this constant, I gotta check it, nah. You get a camera that, put that bitch on for 50 minutes. It's rocking, it's going. You get a nice 1080p, you know, like the little, like the one you put it over your hand, camcorder. Nice other tripod for it, yeah. This interview just cemented it. I was like on the fence about it, but just all that back and forth, all that bullshit that I gotta go through with this thing, nah, I need another camera for show. Something that is for long videos, like podcasts, shit like that. Not gonna spend more than 300.
That's right.
Give me something nice. Give me something nice and cheap. I think I know exactly the camera too. The Sony AS300 or something like that. Nice ass little camera. Streamers use it, and then you know what I'm also start doing? I'm gonna do the IRL shit, bro. I'm gonna start fucking somehow, some way, because it's so fun, man. Like IRL, it's like live streaming, but you go outside. So you're just meeting people, talking to people, random shit. Just
like Eric Andre type of thing.
Eric Andre, but not trolling people and all that, but just, you know.
That
just,
man's funny. That man,
Yeah.
he does not give a fuck. It's funny though. Bro, you know, be funny though.
What?
I know it's never gonna happen, but since Takashi likes to troll a lot, what if him and Eric Andre teamed up to do like a series?
What do you mean that would never happen? Both of those dudes need money. I could see that happening. You could see that happening in the
No,
future.
it's because I don't know Eric Andre's point of view of Takashi. That's why. That's why I say that.
He's a jokester, man. He doesn't give a fuck, probably. He probably doesn't give a fuck about any of that shit. Like, in the terms of, I'll work with him just because it's kind of, like, it's goofy. Like, what the fuck? 6ix9ine is here, and then we're just trolling him and messing with. You know how he does his guests and shit? Like, you know, like, you ever see the Tyler Creator one? Or the Wiz Khalifa one?
Oh, the Tyler Creator one?
That shit is
bro,
stupid.
with the part when he says, hey, your dad's here. He's just a guy in the fucking I was like, what the fuck? And he starts tearing up.
Nah, and then, I don't know if you've seen the Wiz Khalifa one. That one was good, too. Yeah, Eric Andre's fucking funny. But I think I could see Tekashi and Eric Andre for sure. Oh, yeah.
What if they hear us and they invite us to like do some filming with them?
Cut the check, man. We gave you guys the intellectual property.
We'll bring the weed.
I'll bring the weed. This guy will bring the White Claws.
I'll bring the $1,000 cigars.
Here you go. Hey, man. So what's on your list right now? Like, what are you
investing?
Working with? Yes.
It's hard to say right now because the market's been down. But right now, my two ones I will kind of want to invest on is Zom and Sunworks. I know there's never fucking news on Sunworks, but 2 weeks ago it was the lowest at $8. Right now it's at $14. So
That's a jump.
That was a massive
Jump right there.
So yeah, right there. But yeah, those are the two ones I'm looking at right now.
That's like more than 50%. Right
Yeah.
there. So.
Yeah. So but yeah, in Sunworks I see potential in the future. It's a long term, like Zom. They're both long term.
Sunworks. For me, it's all I got Riot, Mara, Tilray. I'm gonna drop CBDMD for my radar soon. And my crypto, man. I like the crypto ride, man. It's cool. You know, once you know where the lows are, you can buy it on the low. Just wait. Just wait a couple days.
There's no day trading on there.
There's no day trade. Just swipe up, swipe
You
up.
could be on there for like maybe 4 hours.
Just looking at it.
You could be on there just making. You can make like
Little
1,000 in
money.
4 hours. Yeah.
Like if you play with like $500 and you throw it in, wait for 10%. 10% of 500, 50. That's nice.
Perfect one
do
to
it again.
The perfect one to do it.
Easy.
Ethereum Classic. I'm gonna have to say Dogecoin too.
Dogecoin is still, it's still because it's so cheap. You can get so much.
And if you have Dogecoin, make sure you follow Elon on Twitter. Because every time he says something about Doge, it jumps up
It's a fact.
For some reason,
And at night.
he might as well be the owner of Dogecoin because at this point, because
Well, speaking of owner of coins, also look out for Elon's space coin. The space coin.
he
or
should just
whatever.
call it the T coin.
The T coin. The
For-
Tesla coin.
Yes.
What is he going to call it? Do you know?
I think it's gonna actually.
Space coin.
There's actually a coin out there already.
Mars coin, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's not on Robinhood. It's on Coinbase, I believe.
It's already there?
I think it's already on there.
Oh, no, yeah.
It's jumped up like 30% or 50%.
Wait, it's already listed?
Yeah. If you look it up, just go on Safari, just look up Mars coin, and it tells you the price right there.
I'm gonna look. I'm gonna see if it's on Coinbase first. Mars. What? Mars. Mars price. Let's see 1 year. Let's see all. So wait, when did it start though? I think this is its all chart. Yeah, so it just started. So it just started January. But is this his?
I don't know.
If this is Elon's.
I
Right?
don't think it's his. It's just, it's going up because, he's going to go to Mars.
They've got 3, bro. They've got Mars coin. I don't know, man. It looks to me like holy shit.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah, it's jumped up a lot.
Okay, but how do you even buy this though?
That's why
What is going on here? I don't know. This is definitely one to do some research on. If Elon owns it. There's Mars coins out there. They're there. But yeah, man.
And also, in the next years, Elon is going to make, I believe, SpaceX public in the next years.
That too.
Yes.
And that is gonna launch through the fucking moon. If you can get in on that first day,
Anything with Elon.
oh my god.
Anything with Elon.
But bro, if you can get in on that first day, like market open, and you'll probably have to keep refreshing because the price is just gonna go, and you're not gonna be able to buy it at market price. Like, yeah, man. So wait, right now, you're only into, what are you into right now?
Right now, the only things that are going up I see is worth buying.
And Sunworks.
It's Sunworks, yeah.
Okay. Well, there you guys have it. That's our aftermarket watch, pretty much. I think, right?
Basically. Is it one
we
already?
looked at it.
Oh, it's not even one yet.
It's not even one yet. We've, yeah, man, gone over the stocks that we have. Again, this is not financial advice, though, so you do your own research, motherfucker. Yeah, for real. Like, go out there, look into these companies, see if there's something you can invest in, put your money in, rely on, and never mess with money that you're not willing to lose.
Oh, another one too, a long term, is Gevo.
How do you spell that?
Gevo.
Gevo.
And Octogen.
Ocugen, I'm watching. That one does like to move a lot. I want to do an option on it, but every time I've tried an option, it declines it. But Ocugen is also a mover. Ethereum and Ethereum Classic are still moving up. Shit. Like this guy said, if you just sit here and look at the crypto, you could watch it. Like right now, I'm messing with just a small $100 here. But you could watch this thing. I mean, and it's gone up 2%. But if you think about like 2% of like a 500 or like 6, it's like, yeah, that's a little bit of money. And then you take that and then put that back in on a dip, then it's 2% of 550, which is more. So, yeah, in fact, I think just in saying that, Ethereum Classic is at 1412, and it's actually hit the 14-ish, mid-14s before crashing down. Its highest, as of the last week, is $15.23. That's $1 over. So right now, if I sold and waited for like another 13, something like that, I could still find that 15, 16. Or I could wait for 15 now. I'm up 2%, and I'm thinking like I want to sell. You know, it's only $2 up, but again, I just like that. I'm making a little bit of money. When I put in a lot of money, this is going to be the place where I go. Ethereum Classic, personally. I've said that a lot, but yeah, man. And then the gaming stocks have my eye as well. Corsair Gaming, I'm gonna keep my eye on. It's a hardware one. They make good stuff. Speaking of hardware, I think I'm gonna get a PC, another one, a second one. So, shout out to Corsair. Yep. Is there any other stocks that you're interested in, or any other?
Tesla is always in my mind.
Tesla, man. It ain't bad. But, you know, don't run in there like a crash test dummy. Well, Nick, I think we've exhausted what we can talk about this week.
Yeah.
If you'd like to be back next week, I'm pretty sure I'll be free for that. You're welcome to. Just let me know. And yeah, man, if there's nothing else, I think let's just get out here.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, man. All right, well, this is the Misadventures of the Aftermarket with your hosts, Nick and Gires, Nate, whatever you want to call me. Yeah, man, that's all we got. I don't know how much of this is even gonna be in here, but
the Jonah Hill to my Leonardo.
there you go. Hey, man, all I'm missing is the veneers. Except I got the natural Johns.